Hello everyone, my name is Gab, and today I'm going to talk about ethical dilemma. So, what is an ethical dilemma? An ethical dilemma is a dilemma where a choice must be made between two or more options, none of which is completely right or wrong, often because each option conflicts with a core ethical principle. I'm going to give you guys an example. Let's talk about divorce. We all know that divorce is prohibited by the church because the church views marriage as a sacred and indissoluble sacramental covenant between two people and God. The only thing that is supposed to break that bond is death. Kaya nga may sinasabing till death do us part. So, let's have a scenario here. A wife and a child is getting physically abused by the husband each night because the husband has an alcohol addiction and tends to be tense and have anger issues. Ngayon, it creates a serious dilemma because on the other side, yung church nga teaches that the wife must remain faithful to her marriage vows, and on the other hand, staying in that relationship could endanger her and her child's safety and well-being. So, question is, should she endure the suffering for the sake of keeping the marriage bond intact in favor of the church, or should she choose to live to protect herself and her child, even if that means breaking a sacred covenant? So now, there are two things to talk about this: the morally right and morally wrong. So, the morally wrong here is the physical abuse by the husband, which involves the endanger of the life and safety of the child and the wife. And the morally right here is if the the wife managed to have a divorce, it will save not only her life but also her child's life and safety. And an ethical dilemma. Ethical dilemma shows how real life situations challenge moral principles. There may be no perfect answer, but this is what it makes ethics complex. It reminds us that sa lahat, every moral decisions are real people, real pain, and the need for both compassion and understanding. That's all. This is Gab and from Base MT2B. Thank you.